So today we're going to be installing the GKTech kit on the 350Z convertible. This is our drift car. Hopefully everything goes good. So the new GKTech parts replace your tie rod, and there's a spacer that goes back there, which we're going to remove and install. We also got to take these 14mm nuts off. We got to take off the 19mm nut on the lower control arm. And then we do the tie rod. What is that, another 18? 19? There you go. It doesn't want to. Boom. Just like that.
Yep, the tie rods were garbage.
So I'm going to put the dust boots on here. It's just this bolt. Get this out. Just got to make sure you put the washers back and the eccentric pieces here back the way they're supposed to go.
Yeah, that is a stick on the sides. On your shirt. Which one? Remember we were walking to some coffee shops and we were talking? Oh yeah, that's right. Yep. Yeah, put it inside. It's like fucking harder than putting on a condom. Got protection. Are you trying to flash it on or something? Huh? Nobody's holding your phone when you try to flash it. Oh, no, he's recording.
Just like that. Damn, I should change these too. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna put some red Loctite on the passenger side spacer. That should be enough. All right, you can pause that one.
I don't know if this was left hand thread or right hand thread. Oh, there it goes. Oh, right? Yeah, right there. How much more do I have to go?
Alright, now we put some Loctite on the inner tie rod. Once you got your spacer and your boot back on, you can thread this piece in and then attach it to your car with the hardware.
We had to turn off the well.
5. And the 14 mils are at what?
48.
All right, so once you got everything torqued down, back on the ground, we'll check the difference now. Now go the other way.